Hi, do you struggle with shoulder pain or wrist problems in your down dog? Today we're going to talk about a couple of exercises and shoulder position and awareness that will help to prevent this issue here and to build the fundamental strength that you're going to need for not only the down dog, but subsequent exercises and asanas beyond this. So let's start down on the mat. As we're coming onto our wrists, we'll quickly just pad through and do a couple of circles with the wrists, just to make sure they're nice and warm. Now with this movement, we shouldn't be experiencing pain, and if there's any sharp pain, we want to back off and maybe assess why. We'll go both directions. And then from here, we're going to take the hands slightly further forwards and the knees slightly further back. So my hand is slightly beyond my shoulders and my knees are just beyond my hips. Now here, I'm going to go for a shoulder roll up to my ears and then roll my shoulders down. So I'm trying to wrap my shoulders down towards my hips. I roll up and I roll back down. As I roll, I'm pressing my chest away from the floor. We go again, we roll up, we wrap, and we press. So I create this cave-in position of my chest here. I roll, and then I wrap and press. Let's go for two more. And I'm pressing up. I'm creating the stability underneath the armpit just here. One last one. We roll and we press. From here, I'm going to tuck the toes. I'm going to maintain this position, and I push away on the mat towards the top of the mat. So I roll up towards the shoulders, or shoulders towards the ears, and I wrap my shoulders and press away to lock the shoulder position. From here, tucking my toes, I push my hands towards the top of the mat, and I drive myself backwards into that down dog position. Now to come forwards, I'm going to pull my hands towards my feet, so I'm creating this type of sensation on the mat. Let's go two more times. We roll up, roll back, press and set. We tuck the toes, and I'm pressing into the mat and driving myself back. I can use the feet and the hips to assist. And I pull myself back through. We go one more time, we roll, and then we wrap and press. From here we tuck the toes, drive the hands towards the top of the mat, and here we're trying to keep the shoulders locked as we draw back through. If you found this beneficial, check out the full-length episode at One Yoga as we start to break down and go more in depth into your down dog. Thank you.